We have an expansion project, an infill project here in Diamond Springs, Mobile Estates, and we have several brand new manufactured homes coming in. This is just one manufactured home that the owner wants to sell really quickly. It's listed at $199,000. It's a great deal. You have your parking. It's a 24 by 40, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. Here's the deal. This home is listed at $199,000, basically $200,000. If you brought me an offer at $189,000, I know I'd be able to get you in this home. I could save you at least $10,000, but this home is not going to last. So we're gonna go ahead and tour this home. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We show brand new manufactured home tours on a weekly basis. These homes are they're spectacular. We travel all over California. Some of them are furnished, some of them are not. We have homes ranging from $89,000 going all the way up to close to $500,000. It depends on the project, the location, all the bells and whistles that you do, the exterior options, the landscape package, the list goes on. So let's go tour this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. There are some people inside, but let's go tour this home. First, check this out. Look at this deck. It's beautiful. The owners want to paint it white, so they're going to be painting this deck white. This is the best layout 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that I've seen that's 40 feet long. But check this view out. This is a very nice rustic senior manufactured housing community. Let's go inside. So here we go. There's Steve hiding behind the door. Say hello, Steve.
Hello.
So this is Clayton West, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, split floor plan. Look how much it opens up. This really is a great layout. And remember, this is only 40 feet long. You have a nice open kitchen. You have all the space that you need. But here's what I like. Look, you have plenty of cabinet space. You even have a little desk right there. Dishwasher up here. You can put some plants. If you have nice dishes or china, you could put it up there. And check it out, even solid surface. These are actually, I'm sorry, these are quartz countertops. But they built a beautiful home. These lights, we couldn't get them on. My apologies. But check this, I mean, it's a very nice kitchen. It has a gooseneck faucet with sprayer. I love the windows, look at the view. No neighbor right now, but a home may be going in there later. And let's check these cabinets out. They do a great job with their cabinets. Look at soft closing hinges. So if you have grandkids, this is perfect for you. Let me back up. Dishwasher, you have all the kitchen appliances, stainless steel, a refrigerator. If you'd like, you can always upgrade to a larger refrigerator. And behind me, real quick, you have the utility room. The utility room will accommodate a side-by-side washer dryer. So now you're going to be surprised with the master bedroom. Make sure that you stay till to see the master bedroom. It's very large. Here's bedroom 3. I almost forgot to mention 9-foot flat ceilings. Look at the molding, it's very nice, but look at 9-foot flat ceilings just open up the rooms in the home so much. I option in that the 9-foot flat over the 8-foot flat. Here's a bathroom. Let's see if we can turn this on here. Nope, these aren't working, but we'll get those working. Your typical bathroom. Bedroom number 2. Nice ceiling fan. You can see the 9-foot flat. I mean, 8-foot flat would only go to about there. So you're talking about that extra foot adds a lot of value. And you know what I just realized? Right here, you could even put a kitchen table there, a nice round kitchen table if you'd like. So here's the master. As you can see, this master, you can easily fit your king size bed, nightstands. There's a lot of natural light in this house. It's a little rainy this week, so it's a little bit dark, but there's a lot of natural light, nice large windows. Can't forget this walk-in closet. Let's go open this door right here and look at this. There we go. I like this bathroom. You know, if you could take out this cabinet space, they added the cabinet space. If you take it out, then you could fit a his and her sink, but you're gonna lose the bank of drawers as well. So it's just a matter of what you would like. If you can get away with just one sink, I would recommend going with that one sink if you are pre-buying this home or trading in an old home for a new one. And you have your walk-in shower here. So they just finished up with this home. It's gonna go really quickly. I could save you at least $10,000 if you give us a call today, 866-720-2207. And if you're new to the channel, we appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Thank you.